Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Tomcat 270 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we have a broken key switch, or the key switch is bad and you need to replace it. Super simple. Remove the key. Now you have two Phillips screws that need to come out on the back panel. Just like this. And now we can remove this back cover. And now we have two wires, a red and a yellow, that we have to disconnect. So just go ahead and pull those off. Just like that. Okay, now that we have the wires disconnected from the key switch, there is a nut on the back side that we have to take off so we can remove the key switch from the machine. Get a pair of pliers, loosen that nut up, and then you can just unscrew it by hand. And then we take that nut off of there. Okay, now we can just push the old key switch out, just like that. Now to replace it, just reverse your steps, slide the new key switch back in, and make sure it is lined up with the on and off. And then we're going to go ahead and replace the nut. Slide that back on. Tighten the nut back down. Get your pliers so we can make sure that that nut is nice and snug. Just like that, and now all we have to do is reconnect the wires. And now we can put the panel back on. Just like that. Now line it up and put the screws back in. Take your Phillips and tighten them back down. Just like that. Put the key back in. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.